I must have done okay because they asked me to come back, so I get to go out to the field and combine again. I will be ready to announce or launch in a couple. Yeah, he's excited. Just you and me talk. We're gonna talk. Bond. No. Here for 2 minutes and already eating lunch. So 5 minutes after eating the sub, he's falling asleep. It sounds or looks like I'm talking to myself, but I'm actually talking to you. No, those are mine. You have your own chips. They're mine. I bought those. Oh, the veggie straws that are ranch, and they're so good. He's gonna eat them on me. We went to a new. See, it's been a long day. We went to a new field. I think they're excited. It's the last field and last supper. Who's a better combine driver, mom or dad?
Dad.
First time that fuel tank has ever read full since we've had this truck. Well, we've had it for the past 4 years. Old beautiful. We sent it to Blair's and Kenny fixed it all up, fixed the fuel tank up. It runs just like a dream, except I got a blown spark plug hole. But other than that, pretty happy. She's working good. Good for another 20 years. First day back with beautiful. Oh man, I missed this old girl. This is like losing your right arm when you don't have this old girl around, the old service truck. She's beautiful. Anyways, pretty happy about having it back, and thanks to Kenny. Like I said, the fuel tank works now, fuel gauge, so at least we don't have to worry about filling it up every time somebody drives it because we're worried about running out of gas. Beautiful is back.
I must have done okay because they asked me to come back, so I get to go out to the field and combine again and taking the crew out. But yesterday was a good day. I didn't plug anything. I didn't suck in a rock, and yeah, so I think I did pretty good. It's supposed to be really nice today, but it's smoky. Like the sun is red, hazy, and a little bit on the cool side. Oh, he gets to bring his iPad out. But I am at the it seems like I do a lot of videos at the post office. Stopped at the post office. I'm going to deliver a whole bunch of orders or shirts. Very, very happy and grateful that I posted yesterday the shirt that says farming is my favorite F word. Well, of course on Fridays, and with food and everything. So yeah, I think all but one size sold out. So I'm going to be making a reorder, but that makes another Friday good one. I have something that I'm really excited about, something in the works since COVID hit. I thought now is the time, and so it's been a good 6 months in the making, but I think I will be ready to announce or launch in a couple. Yeah, he's excited. In a couple weeks, so stay tuned for more details on that. A lot of hard work, a few tears went into this. I think Willa wants to get going, but happy combining. Back in the saddle. Are you ready to go combining?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm excited, but we have to go find them. I think they're back in the middle of the field, but you saw them back there. I gave you 2 minutes before you were on your iPad. No, you're gonna stay longer. Just you and me talk. We're gonna talk. Bond. No. I love hanging out with you. So today we are on the same field as we were last night. Canola. It's a little bit down in yield because I guess we swathed it a little bit too late, so it's shattering. But other than that, it's still pretty average. Hey, maybe a little bit down, but average.
Now let's go, Mom.
Now let's go. Here for 2 minutes and already eating lunch. That a boy. Thank goodness we brought a whole bag of snacks. All the snacks. My view today, we just cleaned up this spot, but this is how dry it is. That used to be full of water.
What's wrong, Lesley?
Yes, stop for 2 minutes, and my husband radios me asking what's wrong. But yeah, just looking at how dry the slough is. Hey, you're having fun. So 5 minutes after he ate the sub, he's falling asleep. On the go because we're at the end of the road, but yeah, my passengers still, Copeland's still out. Here's Robbie on the green cart. It's pretty good. There's Keith up there, still on Canola, and my little guy is still sleeping, but he's stretching out and he's making me don't have much room anymore. Yeah, he's been out for 2 hours now, so pretty good. He needed the sleep, he was tired. But the thing is, because where he's sitting, I can't bring up my steering wheel, so I can't get my snacks. All the snacks in my water are in there. So I'm just patiently waiting for him to get up, but enjoying the quiet. The quietness is really nice. Let's get this road going. It's up for a couple hours. Now he's up. Enjoying his Powerade. Mom didn't have anyone to talk to when you were sleeping. Also wearing a new shirt from Dad today. I got a yellow one and a black one. Well, I'll have to order you some if you want. If you want some clothes. Yeah, I was thinking that Dad needs some new clothes. We're gonna have to order him. His birthday's coming up, so that might be a really good gift. Because these pants are amazing. Amazing. Sounds or looks like I'm talking to myself, but I'm actually talking to on the floor, his position. He does like the buddy seat, but he does like the floor too. Hey, I'm having all the snacks. You can have all the snacks. There's no rules here. Well, yeah. No, those are mine. You have your own chips. Those cheesies. There's cheesies also in there. Those are mine. I bought those. Oh, the veggie straws that are ranch, and they're so good. He's gonna eat them on me. And he laughs. Do you want to come up and sit with me then? While you're eating down there? are you going to drive the grain cart? The combine. High five.
Me and my traveling partner, Willa. Hey, Willa? Oh, good girl. Hey? You like riding in the tractor? In the truck? And the combine. She loves riding in everything. Time for a nap. Well, there's Lesley's day number 2. The 9770, just giving her here. We're on her last 400 acres of canola, swath canola. There's Robbie and Uncle Derek. Oh, there's the S670 Keith. And then there's the other, the 9870 and Lyle. They're just giving her. Pretty awesome to see her running that combine. She is doing awesome. Got her figured out now. It stopped shaking. Dump it on the go. Exhaustion is setting.
Good job, it's not dark.
You tired, girl? It's been a long day. Oh, poor Willa.
Whew. That was a long day. Got a lot done. They dropped me off at my car. So we went to a new, see, it's been a long day. We went to a new field, and then we all hopped in Matt's truck, drove me to my car. So then we're gonna go for supper. And then after supper, the kids and I can leave from there and then go to town. So they don't need me anymore. So then that's good, because I got orders to make, orders to fill tonight. I also have the dog. But good day. I didn't hurt anything. I didn't wreck anything, and I unloaded on the go. I don't know if you can tell, but it is smoky out. You can tell by the sun. Yeah, this is where we're gonna have lunch or supper. Probably one important detail that I missed is this is our last field. Keith is looking at me. This is our last field and potentially our last supper for harvest. 2020. I think they're excited it's the last field and last supper.
They had 2 watches, and then when I went to pick it up, they're like, well,
Green bean casserole, cranberry sauce, broccoli salad, turkey, dressing, mashed potatoes, and gravy. All credited to my mom and Danica.
Dad, is this a bunch of kosher?
It's kosher, but it's also the last field.
Yes.
You know, I was combining this field and I didn't realize it was the last one.
It's all about production.
I didn't know we were almost done harvest.
Well, we don't like to say the F word or the D word because we might jinx ourselves.
What do you mean?
Well, if you start saying you're almost done, that's sometimes when all the breakdowns happen or when it snows.
That means you have bad luck, Mom.
Yeah, you might have bad luck. See, that's jinxing.
Never.
So, Copeland, who's a better combine driver, mom or dad?
Dad.
I'll be pretty good today.
Lyle, this is your field that you got stuck on. Lyle, did I feel you got
gonna fit in here.
These are all getting too big.
Well, I'm gonna be running this combine pretty soon. And I don't wipe it key combine.
Oh, really? Wow, awesome. What does that mean? What's the beeping noise mean?
3/4 full. Yeah, but we just fit it.
This is a challenge.
Yeah, this field will be a challenge in the dark, eh? Or are you gonna just do it until it gets too dark and then be done?
Yeah, and we'll see how everybody feels. We'll see how I feel. And then set the tone, I guess. So.
It's hard going back to combine after a turkey
Turkey
supper, everything.
Okay, Copeland, can Jennings drive now?
I won't fit it this flew around.
Oh, you're gonna finish up the slew? Okay, then we'll dump into Robbie, and then Jennings can do the opener then, okay?
When we
Will's
stop,
pretty good on the
when
floor.
we stop, can I go pee?
You already did go to the bathroom.
I drink too much pop.
Dark in no time. It gets dark so fast now. Ooh.
It used to get dark really soon. I want to play with my friend, Joe.
No, I don't think so. It's
Well,
pretty dark.
we'll see, okay? I know you're looking forward to it. We'll see what time we get in.
Well, it's actually better than I think.
Sorry, Robbie, I have a driver trainer here right now.
Can I say hi to Robbie? Can I say hi to Robbie too? Hi, Robbie.
Say it.
Hi, Robbie.
Can you say hi to Kenzie? I think she's.
Hi, Candy.
Jennings is blushing.
It's okay.
Well, it's getting pretty dark. Do you want to end the video? Okay, so say
Good night.
thank you for watching our harvest video. Bye.